everyone. In this video, you are going to learn how to make a cardboard mask. For this project, you are going to need thin cardboard. Any cardboard that you can find in your house, from food boxes, soda boxes, Kleenex boxes, even the boxes for your household utilities. You will also need something to write with, a pair of scissors, glue, optional to use tape, a ruler, or something with a straight edge. Once you find your box, go ahead and open it up carefully. This is what we call breaking down a box. Lay your box on a nice flat surface. Then find a piece on your box that is large enough to cut out the shape of your mask. Carefully cut away the extra pieces. Take all of your extra pieces and set them aside. Do not throw away your extra pieces that you cut away, because you will be able to use them for other parts of your mask. Now you're going to make the shape of your mask. Use your ruler to cut off pieces on the corner to create the sides of the chin. If you flip the piece that you cut off from one side to the other side, it will help make your mask have a symmetrical balance. And once again, take the piece that you cut away and put it into your cardboard pile. Cut off your piece, and once again, take the piece that you cut off and put it into your cardboard pile to use for later pieces. Now, set aside your face piece, go to your cardboard pile and pick a large piece. Once you've picked your piece, go ahead and cut off the extra tabs. Then, once you've cut off the tabs, go ahead and put those tabs into your cardboard pile for later. You are now going to place this piece on top of your face piece. This piece is going to be your nose. So the width of this piece is how wide the nose will be. You can use your ruler to draw a line to show the length of your nose. Cut along your line. Once your piece is cut off, then take the piece and put it into your pile of cardboard for later. Now you are going to do the design for your nose. I suggest you do it on the back side with the color, so if you make a mistake, we do not see all of your lines that you drew out. Use your ruler to draw out only one side of the bottom of your nose and cut it off. Then you can take the piece that you cut off and flip it to the other side. When you trace it, it should create a mirror image. This is called symmetrical balance. Now you can use the same process to create the bridge of your nose. So you'll cut a piece on the right side and flip it over to the left. And just like all of your other pieces that you have cut away, take your cut pieces and put them in your pile of cardboard to use for later pieces. Now take your nose and put it onto the face part of your mask. Now you are going to go into your cardboard pile and you're going to find pieces that you can use as different facial features. Don't be afraid to use the pieces that you've cut off the way that they are. You can even cut off pieces and rearrange them or make them your own. Be creative. Move your pieces around on your face before you start gluing them down. If you glue something down and you decide that you do not want it there, you will not be able to remove it. So lay them down first before you glue. Once you have found all of the pieces that you will use for your facial features, I suggest you start gluing them down one piece at a time. Be very careful about how you glue your pieces down. Make sure that you glue them down the way that you want them to be. Then you can add details like a headband and headdress. For extra stability, you can add some tape on the back of your cardboard pieces to make sure that they are not flimsy. Now you will use a marker to trace every single piece of cardboard that you glued down. Once you have traced all of your pieces, you can add in extra shapes for decoration, and then you can start thinking about the different patterns you are going to be making with your lines and your shapes. Be creative. This is where you're going to be adding color to your patterns on your face. You can even add cool little details to help represent the culture, or you. Of course, once you are finished making your mask, please make sure that you clean up your mess. Throw away all of your extra cardboard pieces into the recycling bin. Now that your face mask is done, I give you permission to dance around your house. Just try not to make a mess. Thanks for watching my video. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time.